Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we're reviewing something truly one of a kind. A vehicle that blends the grandeur of Rolls-Royce with the freedom of the open road. This is not just a motorhome. It's an ultra-luxurious, futuristic Rolls-Royce motorhome that redefines what's possible in the world of high-end automotive travel. This vehicle isn't about getting from point A to point B. It's about experiencing the journey in the most elegant, sophisticated way imaginable. Whether you're into luxury RVs, high-performance EVs, or just love seeing what happens when money is no object, this review is for you. Asterisk, the exterior of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. From the moment it enters your view, it's clear this is a statement piece. It features a long, low, and wide body sculpted with Rolls-Royce's signature elegance. The front flows seamlessly into a side profile defined by sleek black glass panels and flush chrome accents, giving it a futuristic yet undeniably regal appearance. The color palette is a deep metallic gray paired with high-gloss black, offset by precisely machined chrome detailing. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar adds a modern edge, with a glowing Rolls-Royce emblem centered boldly, visible even. From a distance, the roofline is slightly arched for aerodynamic smoothness, and integrated solar panels help with auxiliary power needs, showing that even luxury can be eco-conscious. Massive multi-spoke chrome wheels complete the look, wrapped in custom low-profile touring tires that balance comfort with high-end aesthetics. The presence of this vehicle is powerful, cinematic, and utterly unforgettable. Asterisk, stepping inside, the interior elevates the concept of automotive luxury to an entirely new level. This isn't just a cabin. It's a five-star suite on wheels. The moment the electric door glides open, you're greeted by ambient lighting, soft-touch premium materials, and an undeniable sense of craftsmanship. The floors are polished hardwood with inset LED runners, while the ceiling features Rolls-Royce's signature Starlight headliner, customized to mimic constellations. The lounge area includes reclining captain's chairs wrapped in buttery soft leather, each with its own touchscreen controls for climate, media, and privacy settings. Behind that, you'll find a handcrafted kitchenette with real marble countertops, high-end appliances, and hidden storage solutions that slide open smoothly at the touch of a button. Asterisk. The rear of the cabin is reserved for relaxation and entertainment. A concealed 55-inch OLED screen rises from the cabinetry, paired with a bespoke Rolls-Royce surround sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio throughout the cabin. There's also a private bathroom, not a cramped closet, but a fully functional space with marble finishes, a rain shower, and ambient lighting that rivals most luxury hotels. A small but beautifully designed bedroom space folds out from the wall with a full-size memory foam mattress and silk bedding options. The entire interior is climate-controlled with separate zones for each area, and can be managed via voice control or tablet. Asterisk, up front, the driver's area is equally impressive. The yoke-style steering input feels futuristic and intuitive, paired with a large wraparound digital dashboard that displays navigation, battery status, and even live environmental data. A heads-up display projects critical information onto the windshield, ensuring the driver's focus stays on the road. The entire driving experience is focused on ease and serenity, designed so that the person behind the wheel feels as pampered as the passengers in the back. Asterisk, performance-wise, this Rolls-Royce Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It features an all-electric dual-motor system, delivering over 600 horsepower and instant torque to all four wheels. Despite its size, it accelerates smoothly and powerfully, offering a 0 to 60 time estimated at under 5 seconds, which is astonishing for a vehicle of this class. But performance here is not just about speed. It's about silence, grace, and effortless cruising. Thanks to Rolls-Royce's adaptive air suspension, the ride quality is absolutely unmatched. The vehicle floats over rough terrain, absorbs bumps, without a whisper, and remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. The regenerative braking system is refined and unobtrusive, and the advanced stability control ensures this massive luxury vessel feels nimble and composed. Asterisk, as for range. Rolls-Royce has equipped the motorhome with an advanced battery pack capable of delivering around 400 miles on a single charge under mixed conditions. Fast charging capabilities allow for 80% charge in just under 45 minutes using high-speed DC chargers. The onboard systems also include route planning that factors in charging stops, nearby luxury destinations, and climate preferences, making every journey smoother than ever. Asterisk when it comes to price. You're not just paying for transportation. You're paying for an experience that's been custom built from the ground up, often tailored to the buyer's exact preferences. The estimated starting price begins at around $2.3 million, but that number climbs quickly depending on the materials, configurations, and bespoke options selected. From gold-plated finishes to private rooftop decks,